Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then follow in one word and one sentence. Let's write. Is means son. Also, in many cases, it can be used as a retroflex final. For example, 这儿 retroflex final. For example, 这儿 here. I have some ideas here. 我这儿有些想法。I have some ideas here. 我这儿有些想法。我这儿有些想法。这儿有些想法。I have some ideas here. 我这有些想法。son. 这儿 here. I have some ideas here. 我这儿有些想法。Please comment any sentence with the character I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.